Hi everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily set the speed of your voice guide in your Samsung Smart Monitor. So at first, go to your control panel here and scroll to the settings. Now go to all settings and here scroll to the general and privacy, open accessibility and open voice guide settings. Here as you can see we do have speed, let's enable this option, and here we have speed, normal, fast, slow or very slow. We can set it using just a simple click, and as you can see we don't hear it now because my monitor is
Volume 18.
muted, but
Volume 9. Volume 20.
now it works as you can see.
4. 3. Speed slow. Adjust the tempo of voice. 3. Speed very fast. Adjust the tempo of voice guide.
And that's how it works. Goodbye!